Automatic Sales Chat. Automatic Sales Chat is a smart bot which can be integrated with Facebook to replace customer services in cases where their work can be automated. It is a highly practical solution for any business that has to deal with customer queries on a regular basis. With Salesman Go, you can create and implement your own bot from scratch. Automatic Sales Chat can recommend new products to users, direct users to specified subpages, display buttons that show product descriptions, categories, or offer details when clicked. You can create an unlimited number of complex conversation scenarios. Elements are the building blocks of each scenario. You can freely arrange them into interconnected structures and customize their settings. To set a bot in a system, let's go to LiveChat. And then Automatic Sales Chat. Here, we want to go to Add New Bot. And we're greeted with the bot creator. Let's talk about the structure of the creator. The upper part, which has 4 buttons, settings, elements, integrated with Facebook, and the save button. The lower part is where you can create and design your conversation scripts and test them using the chat tester. To zoom in and out of your structure, you can use the zoom functionalities on the top right corner. Starting from the left, in the general settings, you'll be able to determine the name of your bot and which product feed the bot is using in order to display products, as well as setting a default response when a customer types in an unrecognized command. To open the Elements tab, we'll first have to add a new script. Enter the script name, which gives us the start block, from which we will have to begin creating our structure. Now, we can open the Elements tab. There are 4 categories of elements that we can add: the e-commerce, bot texts, user commands, and elements that end the conversation. Each of them are color-coded for your convenience. To insert an element into the script, simply drag and drop it under the text field. And make sure to connect it between the blocks. Let's talk about the scripts. In here, you'll be able to add new scripts. To show a good example, let's go to an already created bot. Here is an example of a fully realized chatbot. As you can see, it has 3 different scripts that it refers to when it reaches a certain path. For example, in here, we have the customer script that will be running after certain choices have been made when talking to a bot. We can find the script in a script tab and edit it to see the setup of the elements. Scripts are an easy way to organize different scenarios and have them refer to each other when certain conditions are met when talking to a robot. The maximum price is used for the opposite. The product category is used to let users search the XML file for categories. If the name of a category is complex, a user has to enter at least one of the words included in the name. Otherwise, the bot will not react. Product name is used to let users ask about a particular product by name. If the name of the product is complex, likewise, a user will have to enter at least one of the words included in the name. The product description is used to let users find a product by typing words used in its description. The product color will allow them to find it based on the color of the product. Next, the display products element does what it says. Use it after product elements mentioned before. After a user reaches this element, they will see a picture of the product they searched for. The picture can redirect to a specified URL when clicked. You can set this element to display up to 5 products in any order, with details of your choice. You can also include a button redirecting to the product page and the name of the campaign. Product name and product description price can be up to 80 characters long. Products branching is used to redirect the conversation to another stage if the number of searched products is very high or very low. The reset settings blocks are used to clear all previous choices entered by the user. You can redirect the user to another stage. Lastly, don't forget to always test your bot after creating the structure to make sure it is working properly and that all the commands are working as intended. For more information, you can visit our help page at support.salesmanago.com.